Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today I am coming to you with a shopping haul, a grocery shopping haul. And I just kind of wanted to share. Some people had requested just give them ideas for, I guess, weekly shopping or what have you, because I mentioned in a couple of videos before that I'm trying to cut back on eating out. So far it's been working pretty good. We may eat out once or twice per week, but for the most part we do most of our cooking at home, and the scale is showing results. So let me just get into this haul. So one thing I do want to say is, in order to have this work effectively for you, to plan out your meals for the week. Okay guys, I want to jump in here and reiterate the 5 effective tips that I use to have a successful shopping experience. Number 1 is I always set a budget. From there, I plan my meals according to the budget. After I plan my meals, I make a list of the items that I will need to prepare each meal that I've set for the week. After I've set my budget, wrote my meal plan, made my list, I then take inventory, gather any coupons that apply, and then I begin shopping. So you're not just picking up random items. So for me, I knew in my head that this week was going to be a taco week. We always do a shrimp, something of some kind. We love shrimp in my home. And also we wanted to do something with a diced chicken. So I'm going to do a diced chicken and shrimp and mushroom type of dish with vegetables. So I knew that those were my key meals. And I also want to do a stuffed chicken breast. So I went ahead and purchased the items that I knew I would need. So starting from, I guess I'll go from left to right. Okay, this was totally off the scale, but I saw these and I couldn't resist. I love coconut and I'm a lover of Oreos, so I figured I could treat myself to these, and they are the Oreo thin, so I tried those. Then we got just a salad mix back there for the taco salads. We love to do burgers with the barbecue sauce, and I love the Sweet Baby Ray's, so I got some of that. Of course, you got to have salsa for your taco salad. I try to get the greenest bananas that I can find in the store. Hubby loves those. Sandwich spread just for sandwiches for work. Onion, tomato, some of this is household stuff, but this is some just pain medicine. And guys, let me give you this quick tip. I don't know, some of you may be aware of it, but I was not until I watched one of my fellow YouTubers, and it is Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. She works in the food industry, and she talked about how sometimes she would go into different warehouses where certain foods are being manufactured, and she said literally the same items are being manufactured on the same assembly line, and the only difference is when they get to the end and they put the items in different packaging, that everything is made exactly the same. So that stopped me, because I was one of those die-hard label type of grocery shoppers. So if it didn't have some brand name on it, I was not getting it. I was not going to get Great Value or the store brand anything until I saw her do that video. So that changed my mind on that, and it saves me money as well. So some of these you'll see the Great Value brands, but I took the time to look in the store and look at the ingredients. They're exactly the same. So that was a lifesaver for me. So thank you, Melanie, for that tip, and it has really helped me. So hopefully that'll help some of you guys. So if you're shopping and you want to cut some coins, just get the Great Value. Some of them are the same exact ingredients. Just read to make sure and go from there. Okay, so back to the groceries. I picked up some pain medicine. I got some ground beef. I also picked up some ground turkey because I love doing spaghetti, or sometimes I do my taco with the ground turkey as well. I love Ivory. He loves style. A head of lettuce for our burgers and sandwiches. We love ginger ale. Again, it's Great Value. Boneless chicken breast. The Equate mouthwash. Same ingredients as the brand I used to always just die hard had to have. Now I'm never going to waver from my Dove soap, so I have to have that. This is my favorite one. It is the what is it? The shea butter. I just lost my train of thought, but it's the shea butter. And is it on the top or something? Oh, there it is. Shea butter and warm vanilla. Love, love, love it. Both of my favorite things, vanilla and shea butter. Okay, now saltine crackers, rice, Ballpark. Now there, I do notice a difference with the different type of buns. Now, some of these I tried and tested for myself, and for me, nothing compares to Ballpark. I just love them. Yarnell's ice cream for the hubby. He loves chocolate. I am a skinny girl fanatic, so I have to have my popcorn. Hungry Jack, what is that? Instant potatoes. Some Great Value milk. I love, now the cheeses, I don't waver. Some of them are not. Now this one was cool. We have tried that, but the Great Value pepper jack is cool. But the mix, I stick with that. I stick with Kraft. And then my diced chicken for my little chicken and mushroom dish. Chips for the taco salad. And then we just have some Cracker Jacks for the hubby. So here it is, you guys, and my grand total for the week, which includes mostly lunch and dinner items, with a few household items, came to $95 for the week. So to me, that is a great deal, and I probably won't have, and this will probably carry me over for 2 weeks actually, or a week and a half. So we do pretty good on the grocery. We save a lot of money from eating out, that's for sure. So hopefully this was some helpful tips to you guys. You found some bargain ways to save and different things like that. But I know for me in the summertime, I don't like to do a lot of heavy cooking, so we keep it light. We do sandwiches, burgers, sometimes hot dogs and things like that. Easy, something that doesn't take a long time in the oven, because it's so hot in Arkansas and I'm not trying to be running up in the kitchen. So without any further ado, you guys, this is my grocery shopping haul for the week. I'm going to say for 2 weeks, because I think most of this will carry us over for a couple weeks. We're certainly not going to eat 10 pounds of ground beef in a week, so I'm gonna say 2 weeks on that. So for the most part, this will be equivalent to 2 weeks for my husband and I. Now if the girls were here, it would probably be a week, but yeah, this will carry us for 2 weeks. So I hope this was helpful to you all, and I am going to now store everything away and get to cleaning. So until the next video, you all have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. We are growing by leaps and bounds. I'm so excited for the growth, and I have plenty more of lifestyle content to bring you all. Everyone seems to be really, really enjoying it. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback. I love that. I appreciate you all. Those that are tried and true, I so appreciate you. For my new family members, welcome to TMB Design. So until the next video, again, have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.